beauty. Make every single day of your life a success. Don't let your past become your future. Take time out of your busy day to see all of the beauty that is around you, even if it's just for 5 minutes. That same beauty that you see, the beautiful sky, the trees, the birds, the rocks, the moon, all of that beauty is also inside of you. And when you recognize that beauty, your life will reflect that beauty, and all good things shall come to you. See the beauty within yourself. Then see the beauty of everything on this planet Earth. Look up into the sky and see the beauty of the universe. The stars were put there in the sky to shine for you. The birds were put here to sing for you. The ocean and rain were put here to wash away all fear, hate, and doubt for you. Everything that you see was put here for you. You are God's gift to this earth, and this earth is God's gift to you. Remember that always and forever. This is London Lyric, and thank you.